Goa government issues revised capping rates for COVID-19 admission in private hospitals with ICU facilities. Public Health Department issues an order in regards to the same. Here's what it says. Government is pleased to lay down the capping of the rates for COVID-19 admission in private hospitals with ICU facilities as under. General ward with COVID charge 10,000 per day, twin sharing 13,000 per day, private room single 16,000 per day, ICU with ventilator occupancy 24,000 per day. The above package includes admission charges, intensivist, primary and specialist consultant charges, bed charges, nursing, resident doctor, diet, PPE kits for staff, X-ray, ECG, USG, 2D echo, cardio monitor, infusion pump, catheterization, CBC, PP, BSL, HbA1c, creatinine, liver function test, blood group, routine medicine including multivitamin, vitamin C, zinc, vitamin D, paracetamol, antacid, anti-allergic, HCQ, azithromycin, doxycycline, levofloxacin, and dexamethasone, ivermectin. Dietary changes. Above package does not include diagnostic interventions, special drugs, use of special equipments, other special procedures, surgery, etc., extra oxygen flow other than ICU. By order and in the name of Governor of Goa, Swati A. Tarvi, Under Secretary, Health. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.